Alright boys, we'll check this little thing out. It's pretty nifty. I don't know much about it. I just got it the other day. So we'll check this out. It's a looks like an early 80s. Judging by the model number on the Briggs here, it's either a 77 or an 81. So it's an 8-horse Briggs. I think it's an 81 actually. I don't know. It's a Toro 832. You can see in there. It's pretty neat. This thing's pretty fucking cool. It's all original, looks like. Seat's a little tore up. Check out the battery. Hey, you can't really see it, but there's a little cubby back there and shit. Looks like he had a bagger on it. Some kind of a bagger mount or some shit. I don't know. 32-inch deck. It's all metal. There's no rot holes in the deck. Not going to tell you how much I paid for this, because you don't need to know, frigasock. But, I apologize, but, yeah. Friggin', yeah. I'm selling it. I'm, goodness gracious, I'm all tongue-tied. I'm friggin' tired, boys, I apologize. Been, sleeping all day. I slept all day today. I didn't have to work. It's Saturday. I didn't have to work today, so I just friggin' slept right through the whole day. Because look, start time up. But I'm gonna sell it for 180 bucks. I think that's pretty damn fair. Yeah. Frig it. See what I can get for it. Or best offer. Screw it. But here's your deck thing. Your deck lift. It's pretty neat. Deck goes down. It's kind of heavy. Mower deck PTO right there. Deck engagement. Oh, sit on it here. The steering's like a fucking go-kart. It's awesome. So we'll start it up here. Oh goodness. Brakes and everything work on it.